There are two components of Six Sigma: process power and people power. Please move on to the next slide to know more about these. Six Sigma has a systematic approach of problem solving, using DMAIC Approach. This is called as process power of Six Sigma. People are assigned different roles, and these roles are named in terms of martial art. We will learn about these roles in this section. Any problem or issue can be resolved using DMAIC Approach. DMAIC stands for define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. How do you solve a problem in Six Sigma? You seek to understand the problem by converting the practical problem to a statistical problem with facts and data. Then you solve the problem using statistical methods and tools, and finally, convert that statistical solution to a practical solution. This is the simplified version of DMAIC Approach. So DMAIC consists of: define the problem that is important to the customer, measure the current state of the problem, or how you are doing now. Analyze the data. Improve the process. Once the improvement is made, make sure that improvement stays. Implement controls to make it sure. Now let us see these 5 steps of DMAIC cycle in more detail. The next 5 slides will explain each of these stages. Define phase is concerned with identification of the process or product that needs improvement. It is also concerned with benchmarking of key product or process characteristics with other world-class companies. The problem statement should be SMART. SMART is acronym for specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. Measure phase is concerned with planning for data collection, collecting data, and ensuring that the data is reliable. Analyze phase is concerned with analyzing the key product or process performance metrics. In this phase, various statistical and basic QC tools are used. Once problem causes are established, the team finds creative new improvement solutions, develop implementation plan, and present the recommendations. In the control phase, tools are put in place to ensure that the key variables remain within the acceptable ranges over time, so that process improvement gains are maintained. You do it by documenting your new process, training people, foolproofing the process, and regularly monitoring the process. Six Sigma projects are executed in team environment. People play an important role in the success of these projects. In the next few slides, let's look at the roles of various team members. Depending upon the level of Six Sigma knowledge and leadership level, people are identified as yellow belt, green belt, black belt, and master black belt. Management support to the project is provided by champion. Let us move on to the next slide to learn about the role of champion. The champion is generally a person in a senior position, like a senior manager, or someone who has the Six Sigma vision. They are in a position to resolve any issues that arise between the black belts and any other person in a higher position in the company. champions act like a buffers in any disagreements between the black belts and senior management. Black belts can then concentrate on their project area, rather than be involved in disputes. This and the next slide list the roles of a champion. These are the roles of a champion, in addition to the ones shown on the previous slide. Master Black Belt is Six Sigma expert in the organization. In addition to being certified Black Belt, Master Black Belt has certain specialized skills related to project implementation or training. A Master Black Belt has Black Belt qualifications and is selected from Black Belts who have much experience of project activities. Master Black Belt course is more comprehensive, as it requires the same Black Belt training, and additionally, planning and leadership training. Black Belt is full-time change agent. Black Belt is technical expert on Six Sigma methodology. Black Belts will often serve as team leaders on the improvement project. Green Belt are part-time change agents. They continue to perform their normal duties while participating on Six Sigma team. Yellow Belt are team members on the improvement project and have basic knowledge of improvement tools. A financial analyst quantifies bottom-line results as a third party. This person may also assist in calculating the cost of defects and approving projects.